Nature, a true example of beauty and harmony, an endless source of creative inspiration. It is nature providing us resources to live our lives, to design and manufacture what we need. But its precious gifts are not to be wasted. We at Kronospan never stop asking ourselves how to use and manage them the best way possible. How to reduce our environmental impact by producing even more sustainable products in a more sustainable way. And we never stop finding something newer, something better, something bigger. It all starts with ambitious ideas we turn into reality, creating products designed to give new life to the materials already used. Building factories around the process of collecting, recycling, and reusing what is no longer needed. Using new technologies to extract resources and keep them in the production cycle, not just to make products, but to generate heat and green energy. You see, we make various panels for people and their homes. Designers and architects use those panels to create beautiful interiors or exteriors, or even build new homes for all of us. The core material used for those panels is renewable, reusable, and carbon neutral: wood. But wood is an important part of Earth's ecosystems. To use it efficiently, we have to recycle and apply the best sustainable forestry practices. Recycled wood and sawmill residues are the first choice for our production. We have even created our own recycling program to collect, recycle, and reuse. When using virgin wood, our priority is to supply it from sustainably grown forests, where proper management ensures replanting with new trees. Investing in new technologies, we are able to bring efficiency to a whole new level. The wood that is no longer good for recycling, we can turn into heat and power, not just for our own factories, but for local communities as well. This is what circular economy looks like: to reuse resources time and time again, reducing carbon footprint at the same time. But wood is also a great building material. Its strength, aesthetic, and isolation qualities are undisputed. Supported by recycling and sustainable forestry, it is one of the solutions to capture CO2 from the atmosphere and lock it into the buildings of the future. Achieving life cycle sustainability requires long-term commitment and efforts at every step on the way. Choosing wisely sourced materials, investing in new efficient machines, logistics, and production processes, and applying them at scale to achieve maximum effect. This is the goal we at Kronospan are approaching with a great ambition and dedication, because this is who we are. We are Kronospan.